Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Dodge Journey battery. First, let's talk about safety. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent injury from battery acid or sparks. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Having the right tools ready, such as a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner, will make this process much smoother. Taking these initial precautions ensures a safe and efficient battery replacement. Unlike many vehicles, the Dodge Journey battery is not under the hood. It's actually located behind the driver's side front wheel, which can be a bit surprising. To get to it, you'll need to safely jack up your vehicle and remove the front driver's side wheel. Once the wheel is off, you'll see a wheel well liner. Gently remove this liner to reveal the battery compartment. This unique placement requires a slightly different approach than a traditional underhood battery change. Now let's remove the old battery. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative cable, then do the same for the positive terminal. Once both cables are free, carefully move them away from the battery. Next, you'll need to unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, often requiring a 13mm wrench. With the clamp removed, you can carefully lift the old battery out. Remember, batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lower the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it sits firmly in the tray. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp to keep it secure. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are snug and tight to prevent any issues. Finally, reinstall the wheel well liner and the wheel, then start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Journey battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.